Is PPT visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we will talk about finite automata with output, Moore machine, Millet machine, Moore to Millet conversion, and Millet to Moore conversion. The finite automata we have discussed so far have a binary output, that is, they accept a word or they do not accept the word. That is, in other words, we can say that finite automata take words, do some computation, and gives the result in the form of a binary signal. That is, the word is accepted or word is rejected by the machine. Now we remove this and consider a model in which the objective is not to accept or reject the word, but generating a outputs given a inputs. In finite automata, there are two ways. Any doubt? Any question? Any problem? In finite automata, we can we can associate the output capability in the machine. When we associate the output capability to each state of the finite automata, then the resulting model or machine is called a Moore machine. When we associate the output capability to the transition of the model, then the resulting machine is called the Millet machine. These two machines are used in sequential circuit design. Although you can say that sequential circuits are one component of the computer, but these two are the very important concepts when we are going to design a sequential circuit. Okay. Let us see how will we define a Moore machine. We have already seen in finite automata, we take a 5 tuples to define a finite automata, DFA, NFA, and NFA with epsilon transitions. Here, in Moore machine and also in the Millet machine, we take 6 tuples, Q, sigma, capital delta, small delta, lambda, and Q0. Here you can observe that one missing tuple F, okay, and 2 additional tuple relative to, you can say, the DFA, NFA, and NFA with epsilon transitions, capital delta, and lambda. So with the help of 6 tuple, we can define a Moore machine. Q is a finite non-empty set of states. Sigma an input alphabet, you already know. Capital delta, an output alphabet, a finite set of symbols. Q0 is an element of Q, is the initial state. Delta is a transition function that maps from Q cross sigma to Q. You already know it. Lambda is the output function, and that maps from state to a output symbol. Okay. Now, when we feed an input, for example, A1, A2, A3 to AN, an input word to the machine, machine gives the output lambda Q0, lambda Q1 to lambda Qn, where Q0, Q1 to Qn are a sequence of states such that delta Qi minus 1 comma Ai is equal to Qi, where I varies from 1 to n. Next question. There are three ways we can design we can represent a Moore machine with the help of a mathematical model, means with the help of tuples Q, sigma, capital delta, delta, lambda, Q0, and next is the with the help of a transition diagram, and next is the with the help of a transition table. Okay. Suppose we have a Moore machine and we want to draw a transition diagram. Let us see how will we use the steps to draw a transition diagram. First step, draw a small circle corresponding to each state, and inside each circle write the name of the state that it represents. Step second, if there is a transition from state Q to state P on input A, that is delta Qa is equal to P, we draw an arc from state Q to state P labeled A. Next step, repeat step 2 for each transition function. Step 4, indicate start state by inward pointing arrow. Here you can see there is no final states. Step 5, write the output character associated with each state inside the circle that represents the state in a way that the name of the state is followed by the output character and two being separated by a forward slash. Okay, with the help of these 5 steps, we can construct a transition diagram of a Moore machine. Okay. Let us take an example. Suppose a given Moore machine has 4 states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Sigma is AB, capital delta is 0, 1, and here Q0 is the initial state, and the transition function is defined with the transition table. Okay. Now, the first problem is, suppose we want to draw a transition diagram. Second is the determine the entire sequence of states and the output string for the input string A, B, A, B. Okay. Here you can see there are 4 states Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. The first step, we have to draw for a circle. Okay. Now, next step, label each circle with the name of the step, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, and Q3. And these name of the states followed by a forward slash and followed by the output capability associated with the state. In the transition table, you can see that the state Q0 has an output symbol 1. State Q1 has an output symbol 0. state Q2 has an output symbol 0 and state Q3 has an output symbol 1. Is that clear? So first we write the name of a state, followed by a forward slash and followed by the output symbol associated with that state. Is that clear? Next step. Draw inward arrow at the start state. Here you can see the Q0 is a start state. Okay. Next. Suppose machine in a state of Q0, input is A. Okay. Where it will go? Here you can see in the transition table Q1 means machine in state Q0. If it reads A, the machine goes to the state Q1. Therefore, we have to draw an arc from state Q0 to state Q1 labeled with A. Next step, machine in state Q0 and at this time suppose input is B. Okay, so we have to draw an arc from state Q0 to state Q3. And suppose machine is state Q1, input is A, then machine goes to state Q3. Okay, and repeat for each transition function. We get this transition diagram of a Moore machine. Is it clear, all of you? Next step, we want to determine the entire sequence of states and the output string for the input string A, B, A, B. Suppose we feed the word A, B, A, B into machine. As we know, the tape head always points to the first symbol of the input word. In the figure you can see tape head points to A. And as we also know, machine always starts from initial state Q0. And in the picture you can see Q0 is the initial state. Is it clear? And here you can see the output associated with state Q0 is 1. So when machine starts, the instruction given at this point, print 1. Is it clear? The output will be 1. Okay. Now, machine is in state Q0 and input is A. It goes to state Q1. Is it clear? Now the instruction given into state Q1 is print 0. Okay, so current output 0. And what is the previous output? 1. Is it clear or not? And now tape head points to the next input symbol. And what is the next input symbol? B. And what is the current state? Q1. Is it clear? Any doubt? Abhidya Pandey, are you in class?
Yes, sir.
Can you give the answer of my question? What will be the next output? Machine is in the state Q1 and the tape head is pointing to symbol B. So what will be the next output and what will be the next state?
Sir, machine
Machine,
is in state Q naught.
okay. Machine
As
is in state Q1 and
okay,
at this
sir.
time input is B.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output? First question. And what will be the next state?
Sir, output will be 0,
Very good.
and next step, sir, it
Next
will
state.
take B. Sir, it will take B.
The next state is again Q1, remains in the same state. In the picture you can see there is an arc at the state Q1 itself.
Yes, sir.
So machine in state Q1, and if it reads B, it remains in the same state and print 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here you can see the current output is 0 and the previous output is 1, 3.
1.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, machine in state Q1 and at this time input is A. Okay? My question is for Abhinav Tiwari. Are you present in the class, Abhinav Tiwari? What will be the next output and next state for this configuration? Machine is in state Q1 and input is A. Abhinav Tiwari, am I audible for you? Adarsh Patel, are you in class? Can you give the answer of this question?
यस सर सर जो हमारा आउटपुट होगा वो 0 होगा और स्टेट जो होगा
in a class.
सर जो आउटपुट
Are you?
होगा वो 0 होगा हमारा
Who are
और
you? What is your name?
सर आदर्श पटेल सर
Abhinav Tiwari. What is your name?
सर आदर्श पटेल
वेरी गुड पटेल. हाँ बताओ बेटा. मशीन
सर
इन
जो
स्टेट Q1, सुन लो.
सर
मशीन, हाँ बताओ चलो.
सर जो आउटपुट हमारा होगा वो 0 होगा और जो नेक्स्ट स्टेट होगा वो हमारा Q3 होगा.
नहीं देखो बेटा, मशीन इज इन स्टेट Q1.
यस
ठीक है.
सर
मशीन इज इन स्टेट Q1 एंड
यस
इट रीड्स A.
यस सर तो
It
नेक्स्ट
goes
स्टेट
to
जो होगा वो
state Q3.
यस सर
ये किस स्टेट पर जाएगा? Q3 स्टेट पर
Q3 पे
जाएगा. ओके.
यस सर
और Q3 पर इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या लिखा है? प्रिंट 1.
1
तो आउटपुट क्या होगा?
1
आउटपुट 1 होगा स्टेट Q3. देखो आउटपुट 1 हुआ और स्टेट क्या होगा?
Q3
इज इट क्लियर? एंड
यस
प्रीवियस आउटपुट 1 0 0.
0
इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर
नाउ
Yes,
मशीन इन
sir.
स्टेट Q3 and if it reads B, the symbol under the tape head is B. My question is for Akash Gupta. This question for Akash Gupta. Are you present? Akash Gupta. I think he is not present in the class. Now the same question for the Amit Upadhyaya. Same question for the Anand Kumar Yadav. Are you present? Anand Kumar Yadav. Any student having roll number 1 to 17 can give the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your name? First tell me the name.
Ashish Patel, sir.
Okay, very good. आशीष पटेल.
Sir.
हाँ बताओ क्या
Sir.
होगा. Machine is
Sir.
in state Q3 and the tape head is pointing to the symbol B. So my question is, what will be the next state and what will be the output?
सर आउटपुट 0 होगा और स्टेट सर Q2 होगा.
स्टेट क्या होगा?
Q2.
Very good. State is Q2 and output is 0.
0.
Okay. Now machine in state Q2 and now the tape head is pointing to the null of the input word. At this step, what will be happen? Any student having roll number 1 to 17. Any student?
सर नल तो इनपुट में ले गए.
हाँ बेटा, क्या नाम है? अभिज्ञा.
सर अभिज्ञा पांडे.
वेरी गुड. हाँ बताओ क्या होगा इस सिचुएशन में?
सर नल
टेप हेड जो है नल को पॉइंट कर रहा है और करंट स्टेट Q2 है. तो इस
Yes,
स्टेट पर मशीन क्या करेगा?
सर ये नल तो सर लेगा ही नहीं, तो सर वो Q2 स्टेट पर ही रहेगा.
हम इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? What will happen in this state? What will machine do at this state?
सर यहाँ पे जो हम इनपुट दे रहे हैं वो मशीन के सूटेबल इनपुट में नहीं आता, तो मशीन अपनी ही स्टेट पे रहेगा और कोई आउटपुट भी शो नहीं करेगा.
Is at the machine goes to the final configuration. It has read all of the input information. इसने क्या किया है? जो इंफॉर्मेशन आपने दिया है AB, इसको इसने क्या कर लिया? रीड कर लिया. It has taken the information given by you. Is it clear?
Yes,
Complete.
sir.
Okay. It means machine goes to a final configuration. It gives the entire result on your screen. Is it clear? यहाँ पर
Yes,
ये
sir.
टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. आपने इंफॉर्मेशन दिया और it gives the answer. So what is a Moore machine? It takes the information, do some computation and gives the result. It has taken the information AB and gives the result 1 0 0 1 0. This is the output and the input is AB. Is it clear?
यस सर. सर फिर ये फाई, यस सर, फिर ये फाई जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि फाई
बताओ बेटा.
अगर हम फाई हम इनपुट करवाएंगे Q2 स्टेट पे, सर आपने जो अभी क्वेश्चन, सर आपने जो सर अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. हेलो सर, आपने जो अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि सर
नहीं आया.
ये सर Q2 पे हम फाई डाल रहे हैं. हाँ
नहीं, Q2 पर आप आ गए ना. करंट स्टेट Q2 है, मशीन इस फाइनल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पर आ गई है. इज इट क्लियर? इसने इंफॉर्मेशन लिया.
यस
और
सर.
जो वर्ड टर्मिनेट हुआ, माने वर्ड का जब नल पॉइंट आया, इसका मतलब मशीन जहां पर होगी उसी जगह स्टॉप हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? देखो कंप्यूटर क्या करता है. इट इज यू कैन थिंक द मूर मशीन इज अ स्मॉल कंप्यूटर. यू कैन विजुअलाइज दिस. इसने इंफॉर्मेशन लिया. इंफॉर्मेशन क्या लिया मशीन ने? AB और
AB
10010. This is the output of the machine.
10.
Is it clear? 10010. This is the
Yes,
output
sir.
of the machine, and input is AB. तो इसने इंफॉर्मेशन लिया और इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर दी है। कंप्यूटर क्या करता है, जब आप कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन देते हो, ठीक है, कोई प्रोग्राम लिखते हो, प्रोग्राम क्या करता है, आप इनपुट करते हो और लास्ट में आपको क्या देता है, रिजल्ट दे देता है। तो यू कैन विजुअलाइज दिस मूर मशीन एज अ स्मॉल कंप्यूटर.
सर
Basically, this concept is used to design sequential circuit.
सर
Is it clear or not? हाँ बताओ बेटा.
सर इनपुट 4 है, AB, आउटपुट 5 है, 10010.
हाँ बेटा.
सर
This
ये
is right.
लास्ट, तो सर जो
Because
लास्ट
as the
में,
machine starts, हाँ बेटा देखो, as the machine starts, the instruction given to the machine is print 1 at this point. जहां मशीन स्टार्ट होगा वहां पर लिखा है कि आप स्क्रीन पर 1 को डिस्प्ले कर दो, तो मशीन 1 को डिस्प्ले कर देगा.
ठीक है सर.
ओके नेक्स्ट.
सर बस यही नहीं समझ में आया सर कि जो लास्ट स्टेज है जहाँ पे हम लोग के ए बी के बाद सर जो खाली जगह है सर, जहाँ पे
हाँ
कोई
हाँ,
इनपुट हमने दिया नहीं, वहाँ का आउटपुट 0 क्यों आया?
वहां का आउटपुट कहाँ 0 है, ये देखो ना, इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है, ये है देखो,
यस सर.
मशीन इन स्टेट. देखो क्या है, इसके पहले क्या इंफॉर्मेशन था, आप ऐसे सोचो, यहाँ था ना, मशीन कहाँ है, Q2 स्टेट पर है, कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है उसके पास. मतलब
यस
जो
सर.
इंफॉर्मेशन था, इंटायर इंफॉर्मेशन इज कंज्यूम्ड बाय द मशीन. मशीन ने पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन ले लिया, तो लास्ट में क्या बचेगा, एम्प्टी बचेगा ना.
यस सर.
उसके पास कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं. जब उसके पास कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो वो टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर.
भाई जब सपोज करो कि तुमने एक प्रोग्राम बनाया सी लैंग्वेज में, सपोज यू हैव रिटन अ प्रोग्राम फॉर एडिशन ऑफ 2 नंबर.
यस सर.
2 numbers, okay, suppose first is a 5 and next is a 10, and you have entered 5 and 10, तो
यस
मशीन
सर.
क्या आंसर देता है, 15.
15.
अब उसके पास और भी कोई इंफॉर्मेशन तो है नहीं ना, तुमने
नो
सिर्फ 2
सर.
इंफॉर्मेशन दिया, और 2 इंफॉर्मेशन का जो रिजल्ट है तुमने इस वे में डिजाइन किया है कि 2 इंफॉर्मेशन 2 इंटीजर नंबर लेगा और उसका आउटपुट दे देगा.
हाँ ठीक है सर, समझ गया.
समझ गए?
यस सर, समझ गया.
Okay. Here you can see this is the entire sequence of states while accepting the input A, B, Q0, Q1, Q3 and Q2, and output string will be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Next. Here in this figure, you can see that a Moore machine is given. Okay. And this Moore machine is used to determine how many times the substring AAB appears in a input string. Okay, when you feed input AAA, BB, AB, AA, B, AAA, B, BBA, it gives the output 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, sequence of 0, 1, sequence of 0, 1, sequence of 0. Here you can determine how many 1 appeared in the output. You can see there are 3 1 in the output produced by the machine. It means that there are 3 substring AAB in a given input string. Is it clear? Suppose 0. Then machine in state 0, input is A, then and print 0. Now machine in state Q1, input is A, it goes to the state Q2, print 0. At this time, machine in state Q2 and input is B, it goes to the state Q3 and gives the output 1. What it means? Machine has recognized AAB in a given input state. Okay? Is that clear? So this is the one example of Moore machine to determine how many substrings AAB appears in a long input string. Okay. Now next, we can define a Mealy machine with the help of 6 tuple Q, sigma, capital delta, delta, lambda, Q0, where Q is a finite set of states similar to you can say the DFA or NFA or Moore machine. Sigma is an input alphabet, delta an output alphabet, Q0 is an element of capital Q, small delta is a mapping, the transition function which maps Q cross sigma to Q. All of you already know. Here lambda, that is the output function, maps from Q cross sigma to capital delta, that is delta QA must be a member of capital delta. So with the help of these 6 tuples, we can define a Mealy machine. Now, when we feed the input string A1, A2, A3 to AN, the machine gives the output lambda Q0 A1, lambda Q1 A2, lambda Q2 A3 to lambda Qn minus 1 AN, where Q0 Q1 to Qn is a sequence of states such that delta Qi minus 1 comma AI is equal to Qi, where I varies between 1 and n. Means Mealy machine again takes the input string and gives the output string. Again, the question is, suppose we want to construct a transition diagram. So let us see how we will construct a transition diagram. Let us take a Mealy machine. Again, the first step, draw one small circle for each state and label it with the state name. Next, if there is a transition function delta QA is equal to P and X is the output value associated with this transition, then we draw an arc from state Q to state P labeled A followed by X. Repeat step 2 for each transition. Indicate the start state by incoming arrow and we will get a transition diagram. Let us take an example to understand how will we construct a transition diagram. Suppose the Mealy machine has 4 states, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Sigma is AB, capital delta is 0, 1, Q0 is Q0, and the transition function delta is defined by a transition table. First question, draw the Mealy machine, draw the transition diagram of the Mealy machine. Next question, determine the sequence of states and the output string for the input string AABB. Okay. First part, draw a transition diagram. Here you can see there are 4 states, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Therefore, we draw 4 circle. Next, label each circle with the state name of milling machine, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. The inward arrow at the start state. Now, suppose machine in state Q0, input is A, it goes to state Q1, and output here, as you know, in the milling machine is output associated with a transition function. Means machine in state Q0, if it reads A, it goes to state Q1 and gives the output 0. What it means? We have to draw an arc from state Q0 to Q1 labeled with A, that is the input, followed by a forward slash and followed by 0, this way. Okay. Now machine in state Q0, input is B. Now machine goes to the state Q3 and gives the output 0. So we have to draw an arc from state Q0 to state Q3 labeled with B followed by forward slash and followed by, at this time you can see again 0. Okay. Now machine in state Q1 and input is A, machine goes to state Q3 and at this time output associated is 1. Any student having roll number 1 to 17 give the answer of this question. What will be the next state and what will be the output and how will you draw an arc? Anyone, student having roll number 1 to 17? Akash Gupta, are you present in class? Abhinav Tiwari? Abhijna Pandey, can you give the answer of this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, machine is in state Q3.
No, machine is in state Q1. For example, input is A.
Okay, sir.
What will happen in a machine?
Sir, one arc will be drawn from Q1 to Q3.
Very good.
With A oblique 1. Output will be 1 and input will be A.
Okay. Is it right?
Sir. Yes, sir, it is right.
Now suppose machine in state at this time Q1 and input is B. What will happen in a machine? Anyone student having roll number 1 to 17? Anuj Kumar Maurya, are you present in the class? Akhilesh Kumar. I think they are not in a class. Okay. So you have to draw at this time an arc from state Q1 to state Q2 with label B followed by forward slash 1. Okay. And repeat this for each transition function. Okay. This will be the output. So this way you can draw a transition diagram for a Mealy machine. Next, here we want to determine the sequence of states and the output string for the input string AABB. Okay. As we know, machine always starts from the initial state. So initial state, what is the initial state? Initial state is Q0, and tape head, as I have already told you in the previous lectures, tape head at the starting always point to first symbol of input string or input word. So here you can see in the picture the tape head points to A and initial state Q0. Okay, means machine in state Q0 and input is A. What will be the output and what will be the next step? So output will be 0. Okay, and next state is
Q1.
very good.
One, sorry,
Q1. Q1 is the next state. Is it clear? Now, after this, what will happen in a machine? Anyone student having roll number 1 to 17 can give the answer. After this, what will happen? Or you can say, what will do the machine?
Sir, Abhigya Pandey. Sir, a machine is now in state Q1
Very
and
good.
input is A. So we get
Okay.
so
This is
now
the scenario. Okay.
yes sir.
Very good.
So now the machine will move to Q3 and output it generate is 1.
Okay. Output is 1 and next state is
Q3.
Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay. Now machine in state Q1, the previous output here you can see the 0. Previous output 0 and current output is 1. Okay. Now machine in state Q3 and input is A. Q3 and input is A. What will be the output? 1. And next state is
Q3.
Okay. Previous output 0, 1 on your screen. Machine is in state Q3 and now at this time input is B. What will be the output?
1 Q0.
Very good. Output is 1 and next is the Q0. Means machine goes to the state Q0. Okay. Next, machine is in state Q0. Input is B.
Sir, output is 0.
Output 0, state
Output
Q3.
0 state Q3.
Very good. Very good. What will be the next? This is the scenario. Current state is Q3 and at this time the tape head is pointing to the null of the input string.
Sir, 0. Sir, 0 will be printed.
There will be no output. At this point machine will be terminated. Stop the working and it gives the entire output. The on your screen this information will be available 0 1 1 1 0 means machine takes AABB and it gives 0 1 1 0. Okay. The sequence of state during the movements of the machine for the input string AAA double B is Q0, Q1, Q3, Q3, Q0, Q3, and the output string 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, that is 0, 1, 1, 0. Here I am giving one example of a Mealy machine. Suppose we want to compute the ones complement of input string. Input is given, suppose 0, 1, 1, 1, and we want to take the ones complement of the binary inputs. This is a Mealy machine will perform this work. Having a single state Q0, if input is 0, it gives the output 1. If input is 1, it gives the output 0. This is one example of a Mealy machine. Any questions on today's lecture? Any doubt?
No, sir.